Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Fancy Akinyi. If you're new here, welcome. If you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much. So in today's video, I'm going to make these yummy snacks. The recipe is quite simple. It's just like cooking chapatis, but with a twist. For this recipe, I used 3 cups of flour, 1 teaspoon of salt, water, and cooking oil. You can use milk, warm milk if you have. You can add eggs, but I decided to go with a very simple recipe. So once you add everything together, you're just going to mix them well. Make sure the oil is spread out evenly on the flour. So next, I'm just going to add water to help in the kneading process. I'm going to knead until the dough is soft and bouncy. Once the dough is nice, soft and bouncy, we're just going to soak it in cooking oil and cover it for about 1 hour, as we'll see in the video. After an hour, you're going to divide the dough into small balls. Once they're divided into small balls, again you're going to take them back into the bowl and soak them in oil once more. Let them rest for about 30 to 1 hour. After 30 minutes, you are just going to spread out the dough as thin as you can. Then you apply oil once more. Then you cut it into strips. I think I cut mine into bigger strips, so they didn't turn out as I expected, but I think next time I'll try and cut the strips thinly, as thin as possible. So if you try the recipe, kindly try to cut yours as thin as possible and make smaller balls. I think my balls were also big. Once that is done, we're just going to jump into the frying process. You can spread out the dough further, but I cooked mine like so, like you can see in the video. I didn't spread them out, so I fried each side 5 minutes and turned the other side for 5 minutes until they were golden brown. So at this point they were good. You can remove them, let them cool, and serve with your favorite stew. In case you try out the recipe, please share in the comment section how yours turned out. So thank you for watching. See you in the next one. Bye.